What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going riding with ATVs and side-by-sides. We are at Deep Creek ATV Park in Linden, North Carolina, which is about 30 minutes north of Fayetteville. This family-friendly park hosts 15 miles of trails at various difficulties, ranging from easiest, more difficult, and most difficult. This map is also available for download off their website, and it costs $4.99. RV campsites with water and electric are $40 per night with 15 and 30 amp plugs. Primitive camping is $10 per night, and each rider must pay $20 per day to ride in the park. Kids 12 and under are free. There is a bathhouse with indoor and outdoor showers and hot water, and also a wash area for the machines with 3 hoses. We are here for the weekend and have a group of 18 people. We have a nice spot to set up camp under the trees, which is 4 combined campsites, 13 to 16. I also got a campsite number 12, but it wasn't exactly next to everyone else. That's okay. I spent most of my time up the hill at the main camping spot. Anyway, on to the riding. Among our group, we had 3 side-by-sides, 5 4-wheel drive ATVs, and 4 2-wheel drive ATVs. I don't currently own an ATV, but I was able to borrow one for this trip. So I'm using this 250cc 2-wheel drive machine, which is also the smallest of the group. But it'll be fine, right?
That's where it's deep.
This was my first time going to a park like this to go riding. In the past, I just went riding around my yard, or on the road, around fields, and in the woods. So this was a pretty cool experience for me. I believe they refer to this as mudding, with ATVs though, not trucks or jeeps. There's plenty of sandy trails with plenty of mud holes throughout the park. There is certainly something for every experience level of rider, and definitely not short of challenges too. I didn't ride through anything significant since I was on a stock two-wheel drive bike that I had borrowed. But still made it through most of what everyone else went through.
There you go.
Many of us got stuck at some point pushing the limits of these four-wheeled machines, and even I got stuck once. It was also a weekend where quite a few machines wound up breaking or had some kind of issue. Some were able to be repaired, while others had their fun cut short. We rode as much as we could while we were here, whether it was during the day or at night, sometimes riding until 3 a.m., rain or shine. The trails weren't marked very well, so it was kind of difficult to tell which ones were easy or difficult unless you had downloaded a park map. We all had a blast while we were here, riding around, hanging out, and lots of laughter. It's nice to be able to let loose and break away from reality every once in a while. This was definitely an amazing adventure with an awesome group of people. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for all the love and support. See you next time. Going for a car ride.